morning. So it is June end, and we are going to be discussing what all things I achieved in the month of May and June, because I decided that I have to achieve stuff in May when it was 20th of May. Let's start with the things that I got done. In front of me is a diary which has all of the things written. So, number one, my goal was to complete this painting. I did, and it looks so pretty. It's not even funny. I had two mental breakdowns when I was completing this, but it looks beautiful. I love it. This was one of the things that I wanted to do this year, and I have achieved it, which makes me very happy. Number two, crochet cow. Oh, I have it with me, 1 second. That's this. ये बराबर से नहीं दिख रहा होगा यार तुमको. Yes, this is the cow. Okay, the eyes are pending and you cannot see it properly. But the only problem with this is all of this is just the same color, right? So you don't see any contours or the blush and stuff that I've placed in it, but it's beautiful. Anyways, next up we have dancing. So that was one thing that I wanted to do. May and June, I wanted to dance and I wanted to have the videos uploaded. Dance, भाई मैं चली नहीं हूँ भाई. मैं आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा चली नहीं हूँ फॉर रिलैक्सेशन. डांस की बात कहाँ से आ रही? आई हैव नॉट डांस्ड एट ऑल. सॉरी, आई हैव seriously not danced at all. No song was enough to make me dance, so that didn't happen. Another thing that didn't happen is the SQL completion. If you remember, this LinkedIn post here says I have a deadline of December 2025. We are in June 2026 and I'm still not done. I have not touched SQL. I have not touched it at all. मैंने कुछ मालूम ही नहीं, मैंने देखा ही नहीं. SQL विंडो सिर्फ वही बचा हुआ है. And then I get down to the project, but I have just not touched it. I am seriously so mad at myself about it, because I remember I was all excited and I made a schedule and I did everything except SQL. I can show you कि मैंने बाकी सारी चीज़ें की हुई हैं except for SQL, except for filming also SQL content. So if you see, unfortunately there have been no videos also regarding SQL. It's not just that मैंने SQL किया नहीं है और मेरे को करने की इच्छा नहीं थी. It's that I was so busy this entire month that I just didn't get enough time to actually turn on the camera, mic लगा के let me just talk and let people know क्या आगे होता है. बिकॉज आई हैव अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आस्किंग मी कि इसके आगे क्या करूँ. मैं आपकी वीडियोस फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, बट देन अभी मैं लेफ्ट जॉइंट हो गया, राइट जॉइंट मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, या इनर जॉइंट एंड राइट जॉइंट में मुझे कन्फ्यूजन है. मैं बैठ ही नहीं पाई हूँ to do that, which makes me extremely sad, but we are going to improve. Tell you what, I just filmed a video recently, so that's going to come live. That is that. Another thing that I wanted to do was the speech improvement. Even though it does not seem, because this is my normal speed of talking, I have started working on reducing the number of words I say per minute, because it's a little too much. So I have started working on my speech and also on my vocabulary, which is very good. And another thing which I think was the last thing left was to start making clothes. Now the Silai machine and I have a very beautiful relationship. In the extreme beginning, she would be my sister. She will be cooperating with me the entire time, and then towards the extreme end, जब भी लास्ट धागा कट करना होता है ना, लास्ट, तब भी मेरी मशीन को कुछ तो होता है, एंड देन इट जस्ट डज नॉट डू एनीथिंग. बट I won that battle this month, and I made not the top that I wanted to make. I wanted to make this here. It would look so good, right? I can wear that to the office also if I make it correctly. I didn't do that. I did something else. Let me show you. For some reason, I just didn't keep these things ready, so that's my issue. But let's just, this is what I made. I hope you are able to see it. I'll insert a better picture, but this is a happy birthday. This is a cloth banner that I've made for my nephew's birthday. He turns 1, and my sister saw a design like this on Pinterest, and she's like, oh yeah, this is beautiful, get a tailor to make this. Now no tailor is going to be making this, at least in my locality. They don't have time or enough patience to be making this. So I used to come home from office and then post my 6:30 stand up, which would end by 7:30. I would sit down and start working on this. It was a very extensive process, let me tell you that. I didn't do justice just showing the entire banner to you, but I will have another video out which will explain the details. I mentioned earlier as well, right, that I will be documenting my entire making clothes journey, and I am going to be doing that. I am going to be doing that on a different channel itself. um, you can be watching that there. So yes, that is that. I have done quite a good job with everything that I planned on doing. Just the sad part is that the most important thing and जो सबसे ज़्यादा crucial है at this point for me is SQL, and unfortunately वो मैं नहीं कर पाई थी. I am going to be away for quite some time now, so once I'm back home is when I will just finish that in the next 10 days, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है then again it will drag, and the deadline would become December 2026, which I do not want, which I don't want. Okay, there are lots of other things that I want to do, and procrastination ain't one. Yeah, that's that. But this has to be by far the most productive work month for me. In office also was crazy, but at home, because these things had very definite deadlines. अगर ये crochet प्लशी मेरे से कंप्लीट नहीं होता, आई वुड हैव बीन एक्सट्रीमली सैड एंड मैड एट माई सेल्फ कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाई. द पेंटिंग, इट जस्ट हैड टू बी डन. द बैनर, I had no other option. Okay, or else just my sister would have been extremely upset if there were to be no banner. She loved the banner, which is great, which is all the mehnat justified, and it just paid off. But yes, for July 2026, I do not have anything in mind as of now. I can think of a few things that I have to complete in July, so that I am happy with myself by the time my birthday shows up. I have a lot of videos to edit. For some reason, I just get very sick of editing videos. I get sick of looking at myself in the camera, because sometimes I'm looking straight at you, and then sometimes I'm looking at the camera which wo upar hai. So that you'll find in a lot of videos, that I'm just not looking at you, I'm looking at something else on top and talking. That is where the camera is. So I sometimes get irritated, annoyed at myself, because I didn't figure that out, and that is why I don't edit those videos. I have 4 videos which need editing right now. This is the 5th one that I'm filming. The 6th one is the one where I will be talking about the entire making of the banner, and then the 7th video is going to go on the other channel. So I have 7 videos to edit before I leave for my vacation, and then when I come home, I do not want to edit anything. I want to start on the new things, which is going to be crazy, but that means that there is a lot of content coming for you guys. And I hope you notice the change now. I earlier was very keen on being perfect in front of the camera, but now I've just decided that it is better if I just be myself, because it gets exhausting talking in a certain way. When I mix a lot of Hindi with English when I'm talking in front of the camera, and I had to be extremely conscious of making sure my Hindi is to the minimal. अभी वो मैंने बंद कर दिया है, मैं जैसे बात करती हूँ मैं वैसे ही बात कर रही हूँ. I hope that is fun and working out for you guys. We are at 332 subscribers, which is crazy given that I post so consistently, but I will be doing that for real this time. I have certain goals to reach before my birthday, which is in September end, and I hope to meet them this year. For the last 2 years, I just didn't stick to the goals, man, so I could not achieve anything, but I hope I do it this time. And yes, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in another one, hopefully with another SQL video. That's it. Bye.